Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make Chilcano. Chilcano is a Peruvian drink that consists of Pisco, no surprise there. And this drink is called after a fish head soup with the same name, as both is believed are a kind of a hair of the dog hangover cures. I'm curious to give it a try and I want to share what I think with you. First thing we're gonna need is take our glass of choice and we put a few ice cubes inside. And to that we're gonna add 22.5 mils or 3/4 of an ounce of Pisco. Since it's a Peruvian drink, we're gonna use Peruvian Pisco. Then we're gonna proceed with 15 mils of lime juice. I was slightly under the line. And we're gonna top everything up with ginger ale. But before that, I'm gonna add some more ice. Let's say 2 to 3 ounces. And then we're gonna mix everything up. Some recipes code that you can use to add Angostura bitters as well. I would like to try it both ways and decide for myself. And we're gonna also decorate it with a little bit of lime. So let's give it a taste, the non-Angostura version. I can understand why it's a hangover cure version or option, I would rather say. Since it's not too much Pisco involved, it gives you this kind of a refreshing and okay, it's a nice drink feeling without continuing to fill your body with too much more alcohol. So I would say I'm quite pleasantly surprised with the drink. You can notice a little bit of the notes from the Pisco, which are kind of highlighted additionally with the citrus and the ginger. So it's quite nice. Let's see how it goes with the addition of a little bit of Angostura. Well, that gives much more complexity and much more spice and floral notes. So personally myself, I like it more with the addition of Angostura. I think it's the final ingredient who put everything perfectly together. So yeah, I really enjoyed that one, and I think if you want to try it, of course, feel free to do it the way you want, but my go-to version will be the one with the Angostura. Thank you for watching, please subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye everyone.